In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your PrestaShop version with ease. Whether you're looking to migrate your PrestaShop store or simply keen on keeping it updated, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. Don't worry, it's definitely simpler than you might think. So, let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your PrestaShop admin dashboard. Once you're in, you'll have a comprehensive overview of all your online store's management tools right at your fingertips. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not entirely comfortable yet. From here, we're going to head straight to the Modules section. Look for this option in your menu and give it a click. Once you've located it, proceed to the Module Manager section. This area is where you will find and manage all your existing modules effectively. In the Module Manager, you'll see a handy search bar. Go ahead and type in one-click upgrade. If you haven't installed this update assistant yet, now's the perfect time to add it to your store, as it's critical for making your upgrade process smooth and effortless. Once you've installed it, look out for the Configure button and give it a click. This action will bring you to the next step in the journey, updating your store. Upon clicking Get Started, the module will guide you through the upgrade process step by step. It's been designed carefully to ensure you don't miss anything important along the way. Now, if your goal includes migrating your store data along with updating, you might want to consider using the Migrate Pro module. You can find this useful tool in the Modules Marketplace by searching for Migrate Pro and making the purchase. This tool proves invaluable for seamlessly transferring your store data from one version to another. Once you've acquired Migrate Pro, you'll install it just like you did with the Update Assistant. With the Migrate Pro module installed, it's time to connect your existing store with the target store using the functionalities it provides. It's essential to ensure that the two stores are properly linked to facilitate a smooth data transfer. Once they're successfully connected, select the data you wish to migrate. Initiate the migration process and allow the data to transfer at its own pace. Here's a crucial tip. Patience is key here. After the process has concluded, it's important to take your time to verify that your upgraded store is functioning as it should. Double-check that everything has migrated correctly and that your store is now running smoothly on the new version without any issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your PrestaShop updated or migrated in no time. Remember, keeping your store updated ensures you have access to the latest features and maintains high security and efficiency standards that your store needs. Thanks for watching and happy upgrading.